A few days ago, I announced the TinHiFi C3 earphone. The company TinHiFi also have released another earphone as well. They released alongside that C3. So this one is the C2. They are calling it the Mech Warrior. It's definitely going to bring you stunning mechanical design that the company is saying that is one of the best they've ever made because of the shell. The shell design is fantastic. Okay, so let's take a look at what you will be getting with this. So it's coming with a stunning mechanical design on the air shell, and it will be made out of a high quality aviation grade 6063 aluminum alloy material. The C3 will bring the C2 will have a very much more strong and rigid design compared to the C3. Now both earphones will be paired with 10mm dynamic driver. Like I've said, the C3 is definitely going to be pleasing for many people that don't like something that's too heavy. But this C2 is for someone that wants something that is very, very rigid. If you need a rigid construction, you will go for this. I don't always like earphones that have metal designs just because it makes the earphone in general very heavy and maybe unappealing in the long run for many people to have in general because of the weight that you get with it. But this is what you get with it. So the TinHiFi C2 Mech Warrior is going to have a 10mm PU+LCP diaphragm, and it's pretty much tuned for audiophiles. So we are going to expect a very neutral set that is going to be a very appealing in general to your ears, and if you like that neutral tuning. The C2 also comes with a very good cable. So if you like the cable that is coming with, you might not need to upgrade, but if you don't like the cable, you have to upgrade, because I've seen the cable, it looks like a 4-core copper cable. I know some people might need something maybe a little bit thicker. You can now get an 8-core from other brand, a much more heavier cable. You can get that. I think you'll be good with that. And the company is saying that this model will have a very powerful bass response. So bass might be something a lot of people would consider this model for, because some people like very good bass. So look, you have to look at the model to see if it's something you want. If you don't want something this heavy or something this big, you can then go for the C3, which I've already announced 2-3 days back. The C3 has a much more regular design. It doesn't have that metal build. It's much more, I think this will have much better comfort in general for many people. It won't have, it just has a resin shell, so I don't think this one will give much of a problem in general for people to wear overall. So I'm gonna drop details for both of the products down in the description, and even where you can purchase each of them if you care about them. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.